Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. We already discussed about number system, basic gates and all types of Boolean postulates in digital electronics. And also I will teach the practical application of digital electronics in my channel. We already discussed about OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NAND gate and NOR gate using discrete circuit components. Those who are not visit my channel, please follow my channel for clear understanding of your electronic science subject. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब के बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In today's lecture, we will learn how we verify De Morgan's theorem practically. So let's get started. So today's session we discuss about De Morgan's theorem, theorem 1. That is, the complement of the sum of a number of variables is equal to the product of the complements of the variables. Let us consider here two variables. One is A and the another one is B. So from the first line, that the complement of the sum of a number of variable, that means A plus B bar equal to the product of the complements of the variables. That means A bar dot B bar. So this is the first law of De Morgan's theorem. That is, the complement of the sum of a number of variables is equal to the product of the complements of the variables. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे हम इसके ट्रूथ टेबल देखेंगे. So what is the first law of De Morgan's theorem? For two variables A and B, the theorem 1 can be expressed as A plus B bar equal to A bar dot B bar. In words, we can say that the complement of the sum of a number of variable is equal to the product of the complements of the variables. So A plus B bar equal to A bar dot B bar. Here A is the one input, B is the another input. So if we can prove that LHS equal to RHS, so we can prove theorem 1. So we can consider A is one input, B is the another input, Y1 is the left hand side output, Y1 equal to A plus B bar. A bar is the right hand function की input, B bar is the another input and Y2 is the right hand side की output, that means Y2 equal to A bar dot B bar. So when A0, B0, first condition, when A0, B0, 0 or 0 means 0, 0 का complement 1, so here we get 1 output. If A0, A bar means 1, when B0, then B bar means 1. So 1 dot 1 we get Y2 is 1. Second condition, when A0, B1, 0 or 1 means 1. 1 का complement 0. So Y1 equal to 0 we get. If A0, that means A bar is 1. If B0, if B1, then B bar is 0. So 1 dot 0 we get Y2 is 0 output. Third condition, when A1, B0, 1 or 0 means 1, 1 का complement 0, so y1 is 0 we get. If A1, then A bar is 0. If B0, then B bar is 1. So 0 dot 1 we get 0 output here. So y2 is 0. When fourth condition, that is when A1, B1, 1 or 1, we get 1 output, 1 का complement 0, so y1 is 0 we get. A is 1, so A bar is 0, B is 1, so B bar is 0, so 0 dot 0 we get 0 output here. So this is the overall truth table of first law of De Morgan's theorem. So here we saw y1 is 1 for 0 0 condition and y2 is also 1 for 0 0 condition. Rest of the combination is 0. So if we prove this truth table by using circuit, then we can prove the first law of De Morgan's theorem. So in next slide, how we prove this theorem 1 using circuit we saw. Okay. So this is the circuit implementation of first law of De Morgan's theorem. Here we use one OR gate, chip number is 7432. We use 3 NOT gate, one here, another one is here. Chip number is 7404 and we use one AND gate. Chip number is 7408. Okay. 2 light emitting diodes D1 and D2 are used as a display device or as a output device. Through 330 ohm resistor it is connected. We already know that is 330 ohm resistor is used to protect the LED device, otherwise it will be damaged. 2 switches are connected. Switch 1 act as an input A, switch 2 act as an input B. 5 volt power supply are connected. The negative terminal of the 5 volt power supply is connected with the ground terminal. So this is the input A and this is the input B input. Okay. When input A and input B is connected with the OR gate input terminal, then from the output terminal of the OR gate we get A or B. Okay. So this output terminal of the OR gate is connected with the input terminal of the NOT gate terminal. So from the output terminal of this NOT gate we get A plus B whole bar. That means this is the Y1 output. So by using this diode, that means D1 diodes, that means D1 LED, we display or we can see the output of Y1. Next, A input is connected with this 7404 or with this NOT gate chip, and B is connected with this NOT gate chip. If A is connected through this NOT gate, so from this NOT gate output terminal we get A bar output, and if B is connected through this NOT gate chip, we get from this NOT gate output terminal B bar. So this A bar and B bar is connected with the AND gate input. If AND gate input is A bar and B bar, so from the output terminal of the AND gate we get A bar dot B bar, which is equal to Y2, function of RHS. So by using D2 diode or by using D2 LED we get the Y2 output. So this is the overall design of a De Morgan's theorem first law. Now we see the first condition. Okay, this is the first condition. When switch 1 is open, switch 2 is also open. That means input A is in 0 condition, input B is in 0 condition. 0 0 condition, A and B both are in logic low state. So here we get 0, here we get 0. So the output of the OR gate is 0. The input of the NOT gate is 0, but the output of the NOT gate is, we know, 1. So the LED will glow. Next, when A is 0, so this input is 0 and here we get 1 output because it is a NOT gate. B input is 0, so this is 0, but here we get 1 because this is a NOT gate. So 1 dot 1, here we apply 1 and here we apply 1. So from this output we get 1 output. So the LED will glowing condition. So the first row of the truth table is verified. When A 0, B 0, Y1 is 1, A bar is 1, B bar is 1, Y2 is 1. Okay. Second condition. When A 0, B 1. That means this input is 0, this input is 1. So here we get one output. One output is connected with this NOT gate. So here we get 0 output. So LED is in off condition. So 0 condition we get. Next, A0, B1. That means 0 is input through this NOT gate. And here we get 1 output. And B1 is applied in this input. So here we get 0 output. So 1 dot 0 is input to the AND gate. So from the output terminal of the AND gate we get 0 output and thus the LED will not glow. This is the second condition. Okay, when A0, B1, Y1 is 0 condition, A bar is 1, B bar is 0 and Y2 is in off condition or 0 condition. So this is the second row of the truth table. Third condition. When A1, B0. That means this in terminal is 1, this terminal is 0. So from here we get one output. One output is connected with this NOT gate. So here we get 0 output. So the LED will not glow. Okay. A is 0, A is 1. So here this is the 1 input. So from here we get 0 output. B is 0. So this is the 0 input of the NOT gate. And so from this terminal we get 1 output. So 0 dot 1 is input to the AND gate terminal. So from this output terminal of the AND gate we get 0 output. So D2 diode should be off. So the third condition is also verified. That means when A1 B0 we get Y1 is 0 and A bar is 0, B bar is 1 and Y2 also 0 condition. Okay. Last condition, when A1 B1 both input are at logic high state. So this is 1, this is 1. So here we get one output. One output is connected with this NOT gate. So here output terminal of the NOT gate is 0. So LED will not glow. So Y1 is 0 condition. Similarly, A is 1. So this input of the 1, this input is 1. So from this output we get 0. B is 1. So this is 1 input. So here we get 0 output. 0 dot 0 is applied to the AND gate and we get 0 output at the AND gate terminal. So Here we also saw that LED will not glow. So this is the last condition of the truth table. That is, when A1, B1, Y1 is 0 condition, A bar is 0, B bar is 0 and Y2 is also in off condition. So by this process we can easily implement first law of De Morgan's theorem, and from this circuit we can easily verify the truth table of the De Morgan's theorem first law. Okay, so here we end today's session. नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम लॉ 2 सर्किट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देखेंगे. ओके, so here we end today's session. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ.